Okay, part 5C. Use a right Riemann sum with the 5 subintervals indicated by the data in the table to approximate this integral. So I always write the integral because I often get points for it. This is approximately equal to. I have a table of R prime, so I'm all set. I'm doing a right Riemann sum, so I go to the first subinterval, I go to the right and pick the value of R prime. The value of R prime is 4. The dt, or difference in time, or change in time, for the first subinterval is 2. And I repeat the process for each of the other subintervals, always picking the value of R prime on the right. So now I pick 2. The change in time in this case is 3. For this third subinterval, the value of R prime on the right of the subinterval is 1.2. The change in time for this third subinterval is 2. Keep going, 0.6. Change in time is 4. 0.5. Change in time is 1. I don't need to do anything else. If I write all of that out, as you see there, checking my work real fast, that will be worth 1 point. So I've done the right Riemann sum. Now it says, using correct units, explain the meaning. Oh, I should put units here. I'm integrating R prime, so notice what's happening. R prime has units of R prime, feet per minute. So this is 4 feet per minute multiplied by 2, which is a difference in time, or a number of minutes. So the resulting units are feet. So I need to put the word feet up here to make sure I don't lose a point for not having units. If you don't have the word feet there, you will lose this point. Using correct units, explain the meaning of this. That's the fundamental theorem. That's why I grabbed this off the golden notes. So we're integrating R prime from time equal 0 to 12. Therefore, this will equal R of 12 subtract R of times 0. So what does that mean? This is what you should write on your paper. You should say the integral calculates the change in R. Now I have to have units here or I will lose a point. Change in R in feet for the time interval. Look on the back of the golden notes. There are examples of this type of wording. The integral calculates the change, this should say in R, in feet for time interval t equals 0, make sure I have units, to t equal 12 minutes. That green is worth 1 point. Pretty much has to be word for word. You don't need this. This was me just thinking. But you need the green statement. So part 5C is worth 2 total points.